But before we start, shoutout kay Benedict Carpio and Gabriel Solano. Meron po silang YouTube channel. Pwede nyo po silang bisitahin at panoodin yung mga incoming vlogs and videos nila. Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung DIY Ruched crop top. So ang kailangan nyo lang is yung t-shirt nyo. Tapos i-crop nyo lang siya base sa kung gaano kaikli or gaano kahaba yung gusto nyo.
Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away.
Tapos, pag nasukat nyo na siya, sukatin nyo lang siya sa gitna. Guhitan nyo siya para may marka kayo, okay? Yan. Tapos, maglagay kayo ng 1 inch or ano bang size yun. Basta, yung magkakasya yung panali na ilalagay nyo. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, guhitan nyo lang din.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up.
Tapos, baliktarin nyo lang yung t-shirt, tapos guhitan nyo lang din katulad nung ginawa natin dun sa harapan. Katulad lang nung pagguhit natin dun. Tapos, kunin nyo yung kalahating pinaggupitan natin. Tapos, gumupit kayo doon nung ka-size nung pagsukat natin dun sa damit. Ayan.
I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around.
Tapos, tayin nyo lang yon yung mga may pula, yung side na yun, tayin nyo. Tapos, ayun, tapos natayin. Yung natira doon, kuhain nyo yun, gupitin nyo ng paganyan. Tapos, banat-banatin nyo para maging stretchable siya. Tapos, kuha kayo ng pardible. Alam nyo na yan, guys. Ipapasok nyo lang dun sa may space na tinayian natin. Paikot yun, guys. Huwag nyo puputulin hanggang sa maging ganyan yung itsura nya. Tapos, yun. Tanggalin nyo na yung pardible. And, pwede nyo na siyang suotin.
Life about